This is the collapsible rooftop camper. Fits great on the assembly that you've seen before. This camper closes all the way down into a hard shell, pops up, has a great awning on it, weather protection from the rain, shade, has a ladder available to climb up and access the tent, and show you what this looks like. So when you're done for the day, you have a weather protection or privacy sheet here that rolls down. Plenty of room inside. What'd you say about the 6 foot length on this?
Roughly, yeah.
And so you're approximately about 6 foot of room. So make sure that it does fit clearance for you. But this is the collapsible rooftop camper. Can be hardwired in as well afterwards. You see, that's a solar panel on top.
You can put a solar panel on top.
Solar panel can connect right here. So if you're looking for an all-in-one option, to go camping without a tent, or without a pop-up, or without a camper, that is Naturnest. Fully collapsible pop-up tent.